Greetings my friends and welcome back to another video. You already know what time it is. Today is something Akira, I'm busy working. Leave. Greetings my friends and welcome back to another video. NTrade here, and you already know we're here with another profitable strategy. Greetings my friends, welcome back to another NTrade video, and today we doing the same thing as we do always, is bringing you high quality content. And today I actually looked into some strategies and I tried to figure out a nice strategy using pretty uncommon indicators. Not a lot of people use them in day-to-day trading. Most people go for like basic ones like RSI, MACD, momentum, etc. Today I wanted to show you a strategy that has a very specific type of entry that you need to look for. However, once you do find that entry, it's incredibly profitable and highly accurate. So let's go straight into it. But if you want more strategies, if you want more trading tools, tutorials, trade breakdowns, one-on-one trading sessions, etc., make sure to check out the link in the description below, or simply send me a message on Telegram at NTrade_pro and we will get to work. I appreciate you, and now let's delve into the market and let me show you what I got for you today. All right, so today we are going to be using two indicators, Supertrend and Williams R. So for Supertrend, our settings are going to be ATR period 10, multiplier 3. That's it. Save it. It should come with these settings by default. And Williams R also default settings 14 styles, and you need two levels, -20 and -80. So how do we find an entry point? So first thing that you need is obviously you need a super trend signal in a direction of your trend. So once you get a buy signal right here, this is your first marker to look for an entry. Now the second one is for a buy position. You're looking at Williams R. You need it to cross above -80. Once you have these two, this is an easy entry and easy profit as well. Ideally, you want a downtrend before you get a new super trend printing a signal, and as well you want Williams R to be below -80. So let's go ahead and find an entry. Again, setup takes a little bit of time to get going, so let's see if we will be able to find something. The signal came from a completely different chart that I didn't account for, but here we are. We have a strong move downwards, and I did say that you need to enter on the beginning of the candle, but here I already see a very strong move and the sell position was just printed. So I'm actually just going to place more money here on top. We're going to go in big. This is $9,000 on this trade. We had quite a strong move, upwards move right here. And finally, after quite a bit of time, we got a sell position printed here, a strong consecutive red candles, and this should bring us quite a bit of profit. I'm not worried about this green candle. We're obviously gonna see rejection at the end of the life of this candle, and this is what it really comes down to, is sniping that one great entry that yields you a lot of profit. Again, we have quite a bit of money here. This is $9,000 of potential profit, and we're just gonna sit it out and wait it out. We did lose the bottom ones because we entered a little bit early here, but now comes the main part, is that actually if I followed my rule of entering at the birth of a candle, I would be making all of this profit right here towards the end. And there you go, we start to bring in some profit. Unfortunately, we actually ended up losing here, but this chart is still valid and we can still place a lot of money here on this trade, and we're gonna go big. Again, I am confident that we're gonna see rejection, that we're gonna see the price going down. And sometimes you want to double down on a chart that you're on when you're seeing potential, when you're seeing actually that there is a very strong confident potential for an entry. And this is exactly what we're doing here. We're gonna see rejection again. We're potentially gonna see the red candle, so we have to place quite a bit of money here to get all our profit now. So all we need right now is a little bit of bearish pressure. Again, we're gonna see it towards the end of the candle's lifetime, and once it happens, all the money goes straight into our pocket. And you can see that I'm very confidently going into these trades, even though it doesn't look like we're seeing like right crazy move to the downside. I know that it will be coming, and I know that we are going to be sniping these trades in a few seconds. And there you go, finally we're starting to see what we came here for. We get all the money back here, and we are not done. We still have to actually make profit, right? Because so far we only got the money back, and after taking a loss. So what's important for us right now is finding another opportunity, and this is a great opportunity for a buy position. However, we're still, as you can see, missing a signal. We need a buy signal to come from Supertrend before we can place big on this trade. So I already have it added here. These charts are no longer eligible as there is too many switches here in the sideways move. You can see sell, buy, sell. This is not a valid signal. You want an actual signal after a long downtrend. This is what we're looking for. So let's go ahead and find another one of these and then see if we can make some solid profit. And here is another entry. They just got the print here. I'm gonna place only 1,000 early and sit until fresh candle spawns, and this is where I'm gonna get the rest of my money in, right? We're seeing strong bearish candle right now, but our entry should come at the start of a new candle, and here it is. And now we're placing all of our money here, 4,000, 5,000. Let's make some good profit on this trade, right? Again, this is perfect. We waited until we placed a little bit of money. Yeah, I placed 1,000 here a little bit preemptively because I wanted to enter a little bit early in case the price starts going high. But it actually worked out for us in the end because the price actually went down and we followed the strategy and entered at the birth of a new candle. And this is it. This is what we've been waiting for. We had a pretty consistent, strong move in the upwards direction. Yeah, we took a loss here, but the main thing is this part right here. So this strategy does take a little bit of getting used to and actually figuring out how to place your trades correctly. But once you do, once you find the once you actually manage to get used to it and get comfortable with finding these entries, you're gonna see a lot of profit coming in if you just patient, if you let it play out, if you let it go, if you just let the chart do the work for you. Just sit there, don't stress about it, and let everything work out in your favor. Again, don't rush into the trades. Wait until everything is playing out in your favor, and then only then enter the trade. And I actually want to do one last trade here, so we're gonna look for that quick opportunity here. If we find anything, if we don't find anything, we already made $4,000 of profit here, so I am not stressing about it. We took a few losses, but overall we are making good money right here. And this chart could have a potential here. We just got a fresh. Again, I'm gonna place 1,000 a little bit early, and if it works out for us, if there is no rejection, I'm gonna place even more at the birth of a new candle. Very fresh. Again, here is the start of our move above minus 80, and now we can place a little bit more here, another 2,000. We don't want to lose our initial profit, right? So we're just gonna go a little bit smaller here, 3,000, and this should put us at like $6,000 or $7,000 of profit for the trading session, which is ultimately my goal and everything that I would want. Right, so there you go. We are about to see a nice reversal happen here. There was a little bit of consolidation. The price kind of died down here, and then we got the print. Williams %R went all the way up to minus 20, so this is easy money for us. And there you go. Nice and easy snipe. Again, took us quite a bit of time to find these entries, but I want to remind you guys again that patience is probably one of the most important traits that you can have while trading with these strategies. You really need to nail it down. Don't rush, sit there, wait until everything is lined up for you, and once everything is lined up, boom, you just go in there and make $6,000 of profit with a few trades. There are of course different strategies, so this strategy might not be for you if you're a little bit quicker on the trigger, but you can join my trading group and we can find a strategy that suits for you. For somebody, this strategy can make you a lot of money. Go into the demo account, try trading with it, see if you can find entries etc. And if you again want a hand-picked strategy for you that suits you really well, then make sure to check out my trading group. We do that for you. You just need to reach out to me on Telegram at NTrade_pro, and we will find a system that works for you, that is tailored to your trading style, that will already be a big part of your success. I appreciate you for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment. We make a little $6,000 of profit right there. So if you want to trade with me, check out the links in the description below. Send me a message. You already know where to find me. I appreciate you. Tune in into my TikTok streams, and I will catch you in the next one.